There's some grains that I've had soaked. A few kitchen scraps for the chickens' dinner tonight. Any ducks and babies coming in? I'm not feeding anywhere else now. Y'all better come find it in here. Oh, and there's a turkey. Come on, guys. Come on. So hopefully I'll be able to get all of these guys, the little ones, into here tonight. And into the big coop and out of my greenhouse. What do you think about that, turkey birds? Well, it is pouring down rain, kind of trying to turn to snow here on us, so I'm going to shut this camera down for now, go finish my chores, and I'll bring you back into the house and show you what else I've been up to. Alright. Well, I have all the chores done this evening. The only thing I don't have done is the ducks put away because I can't find them anywhere. They're off roaming. We're going to have to get them put away. The neighbor isn't going to like it. He likes to watch them. He's like 92 years old and it's about all he can do. So he sits in his chair and watches them and his wife feeds them popcorn and stuff. Alright everyone, I hope y'all will be okay in there. That's the turkeys and the little baby chicks' first night in the big coop area. They can go in and out at the bottom at the moment, but hopefully they will realize that's where they gotta go tonight instead of in my greenhouse. I don't look like a drowned rat out here. It is raining, it's snowing. Temperature's not too bad yet, but it is gonna drop. Oh, that reminds me. I gotta walk around to the front of the house and try to get my seeds all in. The things that my little starts that I brought, or starts that I started. All of these guys need to come in for the night. I don't know if it'll be warm enough to bring them outside tomorrow, but hopefully, if not out here, they'll at least get to go in the greenhouse. I don't have much in here planted yet. There's some baby cabbage and broccoli. I don't think, only a couple broccolis have come up. These are some lettuces and mustard greens and some kale. A couple of them are up. And I think this is some more broccoli. And then I have some wildflowers over there, a butterfly mix.